Apple has officially unveiled the AirPods Pro 3 on September 9, 2025, marking the next evolution in its flagship in-ear audio lineup. After an extended 3-year wait, this generation arrives not as a mere refresh, but as a major leap forward in features, sensors, fit, and audio performance. In this article, you'll find an in-depth yet readable breakdown of what's new, what stays the same, and whether upgrading makes sense. I also include comparisons, use case suggestions, caveats, and future expectations. Let's dive in. 1. Launch and availability. Apple introduced the AirPods Pro 3 concurrently with the iPhone 17 series, Apple Watch Series 11, Apple Watch SE 3, and Apple Watch Ultra 3. Pre-orders began immediately, and the earbuds will officially land in stores in September 2025. The price remains $249, unchanged from the previous Pro generation. A pleasant surprise. By preserving the pricing tier, Apple ensures early adopters don't feel penalized just for upgrading. 2. Design and fit. Small tweaks, big impacts. At first glance, the external layout of the AirPods Pro may feel familiar. A white rounded square case, a stemmed in-ear silhouette. But under the hood, many refinements are at play. 2.1 Internal redesign and geometry recalibration. Apple reportedly examined over 10,000 ear scans and amassed 100,000 plus hours of user research to perfect the shape, sealing, and stability. The entire internal architecture was reworked. The earbud body is more compact, and the ear tip geometry is shifted toward the central axis of the assembly for more even pressure distribution and retention. The new foam-infused ear tips are standout. They now come in 5 sizes, including a new XXS option, improving the odds of a perfect snug fit even for smaller ear canals. These ear tips not only offer a better seal, but resist deformation better than older silicone flanges. 2.2 Durability and ingress protection. The AirPods Pro 3 carry an IP57 rating, boosting water and dust resilience. This upgrades from the prior generation's IP54. That means they can survive temporary immersion, 1 meter, 30 minutes, under controlled conditions, though Apple still doesn't recommend prolonged submersion. The added durability gives peace of mind for workouts, outdoor use, or inclement weather. 2.3 Charging case and connectivity cues. The charging case remains broadly the same shape, but with subtle internal adjustments.